I'm going to show you exactly how to import elements from one Canva design to another using a simple step-by-step method that helps you work faster, stay organized, and reuse your designs easily, even if you are new to Canva. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, open the design that contains the elements you want to import. Once your design is open, select all the elements you want to copy. You can do this by clicking and dragging over them or by holding Ctrl and clicking each element. Next, right-click on the selected elements and choose Copy. After copying, switch to the tab or design where you want to place the elements. Once you are inside the new design, right-click on the canvas and select Paste or simply press Ctrl-V on your keyboard. The elements will instantly appear in your new design, and you can reposition or resize them as needed. And that's it! You have successfully imported elements from one Canva design to another in just a few clicks. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and I will share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.